Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial, and this is a requested tutorial from one of my lovely subscribers. She requested watermelon nails, so that is what I will be showing you guys today, and I had a lot of fun creating it. And here I am just picking out my full cover nail tips that I will have listed down below. Here I am buffing the tips for a more plush natural look, and then after I did start the tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for all the love and support always. I'm super grateful. Here I'll be using the Gershon base coat to actually apply my nails on, and then I just cure them for 60 seconds. It works like magic. It's one of the methods that you can use to apply the nails. And then after, I will begin the tutorial. So right here I am just using a top coat by Aston Beauty as an adhesive to apply the watermelons, and then I just cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So now that I'm done placing on all my nails and placing my fruit where I wanted to, which was the ring and the middle finger, now I'm just shaping and filing. I did end up buffing, but I didn't record it. I just buffed off camera. By the way guys, I will get to all the requested videos. It just might take a couple days because I am going in order of how I received them, but don't worry, I will definitely get to them. here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.